Hey, good morning, everyone. Say good morning, Sabby.
Good morning.
Come here. Come here. Come closer to Mama. Stand up. Stand up. Why don't you stand up?
Hello.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Say good morning, Sabby.
Today, we're making salad.
Yes, that's right. We're going to make salad. It's quinoa salad. Can you say quinoa salad?
Kiwi salad.
Yeah, so this salad is actually my go-to salad when I want to eat healthy. This is perfect.
What's
A perfect,
that there?
yeah, a perfect replacement for your
What's that?
rice.
What's that?
Olives. Yeah, so this is the perfect replacement for your rice. What's nice about this is you can match it or pair it with your chicken, your fish. You like beef, right? Your steak or your pork. Yeah.
Sit down, Dada. Sit down.
I'll just stand up. So wait, Sebi, you're gonna help me mix the salad, right? Okay, so this is very easy. So these are the ingredients. So of course you need your quinoa, and then you need some black beans. What's this, Sebi? What's that?
Corn.
Corn. And then we have some one soy or cilantro.
And
We also have parsley. We have some yellow peppers. And then what's this again? Black olives. We also have onion, red onion, and some cherry tomatoes. So this is very easy. So okay, are you gonna help me?
Yes.
Okay, so first we're gonna pour the quinoa. Pour it here. Stand up here. Pour it in. Oh. And then we're going to put the corn. And we have it. And then we're going to put the onions and the parsley. You want to help me chop it up? So I have here our favorite speedy chopper. So we're going to put, not yet, we're not going to put that. We're going to put the red onion. We're going to put it inside our speedy chopper together with the parsley. Put the parsley. Come on. Put it inside. There you go. And some of the cilantro. Okay. So there. So we put it all inside. We're going to close it. And then we're going to chop it up. Okay. You know how to use it? Okay. Chop it up. Faster. 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 You can do it. You want me to do it?
Cause every year Mama gets stronger.
Mama.
Whoa! Okay, so you can put it in.
Tonight, but we're coming home till the moonlight shines, till the
Yes,
moonlight
and
shines.
then we're going to put the black beans. How much? Half it. Then we're gonna put some olives. But I think we have to slice. Okay. Yes, and then we're going to put some yellow peppers. What we're going to do is we're gonna chop up our peppers in the speedy chopper as well. Okay, go mix it up. See? There, it's chopped up. Whoa! Okay, so we're gonna put that in.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer
And then
days.
what else are we gonna put?
The lodge by the water
gonna
still
put
my favorite place, and I could come
The
every year
pepper.
and it
The salt. We're gonna put some
So,
salt. Yep. And then we're gonna put some lemon juice. Okay, so I'll show you. Just gonna squeeze some lemon. It's gonna bring out the flavors of all the ingredients that we put in. Okay, last but not the least, we're going to put some cherry tomatoes. Nice. Okay, come on, mix it, Sebi.
Let's go
Very
back
good.
to that little place where we
And
used
you're
to
done.
go in the
It's
summer
perfect.
days.
So now you can serve this with your favorite dish, like fish or chicken, pork,
On for
or whatever you're eating for the day. So this can replace your rice or your carbs. And then as an option, you can also put in some, serve it with some chopped greens. And you can add more greens.
He's getting stronger, we can swim all day and dance until the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines.
yummy.
Yummy.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye everyone.
Look at the camera and smile.
Bye bye.